episode of Is It Woman right here. And basically what this is electric foot callus remover or shaver. You basically use the product right here to shave the bottom of your feet if there's any like dry skin, cracked skin or whatever. So the one that we got right here from this brand right here, and this is basically what the packaging looks like. So they mentioned for this product right here is completely waterproof. So if you guys use this in the shower or whatever, you probably can. And also for this product they mentioned how rechargeable. They basically bring this with you guys anywhere to use it. And also for this product right here, it's supposed to have a light that's built in as well. So that way when you guys are using this in a dark room or something, you can definitely see where you guys are shaving. Or even if you guys are using it in a bright room, it's definitely really helpful to have that option on here. And in terms of the battery life on here, they mentioned how you can get up to 45 minutes of usage on here. And it takes roughly around 2 hours to fully charge it up. And last but not least, they mentioned for this product here, they provide you guys 3 different heads. So one of them is probably the lighter one, the second one is a little bit more harsher one for the dead skin or whatever. And then this one that's like really powerful or really strong. And that one's for like really hard and tough calluses. It's definitely really cool how they provide you guys different options on here to choose from. But I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so we guys start to open up. This will look like inside. Let's take it out. So there's basically a box inside a box right here. But when you guys open up, you can definitely see there's a bunch of stuff inside right here. So here's one of the heads that they provide for you guys if you guys want to use this one right here. Here is the second one. And this one seems like the more tougher one. And then right here is a cable that can use to recharge it. You can see it uses a USB cable. That way actually makes it a lot more compact and portable and use this anywhere you want to recharge it, such as using your power bank, a wall charger or whatever. And then right here they do provide a wall charger as well, so use that option if you guys want to. And then the other side right here, they provide guys a little brush that you use to clean the product. They also provide guys a little bag that you use to hold the product and carry all the accessories in here as well. And it feels like a printer right here. They provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set the product and how to use it. And then last but not least, we have the actual product right here that's all nicely wrapped. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys take out the product, this is what it actually looks like. So right here is the switch you guys want to use to activate it. So you can see when you guys try to open it, it won't open until you guys press the button right here and then push it up. But because we have the lid on, it will not turn on. So when you take off the lid, so they do have a little wrapper part right here that you need to remove if it's the first time using the product. And if you guys want to replace this option right here, there's basically 2 buttons on the side right here. You guys want to press at the same time to release it. You can take it out like that. But obviously if it's the first time using the product, you want to remove the wrapper right here first. And once you guys remove the wrapper, you have to put it back in. Just like that. And we turn it on now. You can see how it turns on. And there's 2 different speed level on here. So there's speed level 1 right here. Speed level 2. And then off. And we see the back part right here. That is basically where the light is. So that's really convenient when you guys use the product, so that way you can see exactly where you guys are shaving. And then right here, we see they do have the brand logo right there. And basically in the bottom part right here is where to plug in the cable to recharge right there. But that is basically everything that's on the product. So definitely love how they have this safety feature that's built in right here. So that way you don't have to worry about actually opening it when you guys don't want to use it. Especially if you have kids or something, that's a pretty cool safety feature that's built on. So before I test out the product, let me charge it first to show you guys how to charge it. So I basically want to use the cable that's provided for me right here. You basically want to plug it in the bottom part right here. Once you guys plug it in, you guys can see how it has the red indicator right here to show you guys when it's charging. So basically once it's fully charged, that light should turn off or should change the green color. And if you guys try to use it when it's charging, it does work as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Let me actually go test this out and show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more product. So right here we have the product right here. So just for this video, I'm going to show you guys how this product works really quick. So I'm sorry if you guys don't like feet. So basically when I feel the bottom part of my feet right here, it kind of feels a little bit rough because it's like dry skin on the bottom. So basically what I'm going to do is turn this on and use it gently right here back and forth. And you probably want to use it for no more than 5 seconds on each different part. So I'm actually turn it on and show you guys how it works. Alright, let's see when I actually use the product here, it definitely does work. It shaves off a lot of the dead skin off from here. So if you guys do that every single day to maintain your skin, it should definitely be much more softer over time. So use it in the back part right here where the heel is. This part right here is where most of the dry skin is. So you definitely want to make sure you guys take care of this part right here. You probably want to use lotion afterward. But literally once we actually use the product here, I can definitely feel the skin right here feels a lot more softer. It doesn't feel as rough. You definitely don't feel like the cracked skin or dry skin on here anymore. And I really like the fact of how they have the light option right here as well. so that way you guys can just see where you guys are actually using the product here. So now just a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work. Actually works quite well. Super easy to install the product and super easy to use as well. Eventually when we actually use the product, it definitely works pretty well. So it depends on what kind of skin you guys have. So if you guys have like really tough calluses, or if you guys have like dead skin, you basically want to change the different heads on here based on what your situation is for your feet. But it's definitely really cool how they provide you guys those 3 different heads on here, so you can definitely change different head if you guys need to. And also, like I mentioned earlier, I really like the fact of how they provide you guys a USB option to recharge the product. So that way you can charge it anywhere, not only using a wall charger, but you can definitely use like a power bank as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially trying to look for a high quality portable electric foot callus remover or shaver that's also water resistant as well, where you can charge anywhere you want to and have all the different benefits that's included right here. Then this is definitely super worth it.